What happens when a million-pound steel titan meets a mountain of slick, treacherous mud? Today, we aren't just watching machines work. We're watching them fight for survival in a world of pure, raw power. Forget everything you know about heavy equipment. From 400-ton excavators to massive haulers like the XDE-260 struggling for grip, we are diving into the front lines of mining. It's a mechanical war against nature where human skill meets impossible physics. Let's get heavy. We start our journey in the rugged landscape of an open-pit mine with a true legend, the CAT 966E. This isn't just a machine. It's a time capsule of American engineering. While modern rigs are packed with fragile electronics, this veteran has been dominating these pits for decades. It's an old-school powerhouse that proves age is just a number when you're built from pure, heavy-duty steel. Watch it navigate through these rock-filled pools. This isn't just a puddle. It's a grinding mixture of water and crushed stone that would stall a lesser machine. But the 966E, with its 44,000-pound frame, stays perfectly planted. It uses every bit of its 216 horsepower to maintain traction in the muck, proving that mechanical grit still wins the day. Imagine a machine built 40 years ago, still outperforming expectations every single shift. It lifts boulders the size of family sedans and tosses them into dump trucks with surgical efficiency. It's the backbone of the operation, clearing the way so the bigger giants can move in. They truly don't make them like this anymore. If you appreciate a machine that refuses to quit, hit that like button right now. A legend that moves mountains and fills seas, never knowing the word quit. That is the CAT 988B. Look at this pro behind the wheel. He's tackling a massive white boulder right at the edge of a steep drop-off. With nearly 400 horsepower, this beast is being pushed to its absolute limit. As he shoves the rock toward the abyss, the machine's rear tires actually lift off the ground. It takes a master at the controls to keep 50 tons of American steel from tumbling over the side. One wrong move, and it's game over. But this operator knows exactly how to dance with gravity to get the job done. If you think drifting is just for sports cars, think again. This is what happens when a million-pound Titan meets a road turned into a skating rink. Meet the XCMG XDE-260. When fully loaded, this monster carries a gross vehicle weight of nearly 450 tons. That's 1 million pounds of steel and rock. But in this open pit mine, power means nothing if you can't find traction. Look at that rear end kick out. This isn't a cool stunt. It's a high-stakes battle for survival. The driver is fighting to keep a machine the size of a 3-story house from sliding off the edge. With 2,300 horsepower screaming under the hood, the tires are desperately clawing through the wet slurry, trying to find a solid inch of ground. It's a bad day at work that most people couldn't even imagine. Moving on to a true workhorse of the modern pit, the Caterpillar 6015. This isn't just an excavator, it's a 300,000-pound powerhouse engineered for pure productivity. With over 800 horsepower under the hood, the 6015 is designed to tear through heavy soil and overburden without breaking a sweat. Look at the scale of that bucket. It makes these articulated dump trucks look like mere toys on a construction site. You can see the 6015 getting cut ready and dominating the earth. It's a masterclass in cycle times, swinging with precision to keep the production line moving 24/7. Every bucket load is a testament to American grit and raw hydraulic force. Imagine the ground vibration every time those massive tracks pivot to load the next haul. This machine doesn't just work, it dominates. Now, witness the unmatched power of the Komatsu PC-1250 in this open-pit iron ore mine. This isn't just an excavator, it's a 260,000-pound precision instrument designed to dismantle mountains. While the previous machines focused on bulk, the PC-1250 is all about surgical strength. Packed with over 750 horsepower, it's built to endure the abrasive reality of iron-rich rock, hour after grueling hour. Watch as this mighty excavator digs through heavy rock and loads massive dump trucks with relentless precision. Imagine the weight in that bucket. It's like lifting 3 full-size SUVs in every single pass. The breakout force is insane, allowing the operator to rip through solid iron ore as if it were soft clay. It's a mechanical symphony of hydraulics and steel, ensuring not a single second is wasted in the production cycle. Now, step into the arena with a duo that defines industrial dominance, the Komatsu PC-2000 mining backhoe. This isn't just an excavator, it's a 440,000-pound titan designed for one thing: moving massive amounts of earth with zero hesitation. With nearly 1,000 horsepower screaming under its hood, the PC-2000 doesn't just dig, it conquers the landscape one massive bucket at a time. Watch the seamless coordination as it loads the Komatsu HD 785. This truck is a beast in its own right, built to haul a 100-ton payload through the toughest terrain imaginable. To put that in perspective, this truck carries the weight of about 50 full-size pickup trucks in a single trip. The PC-2000 fills that massive bed in just a few quick surgical passes, proving that in the world of mega mining, efficiency is king. Witness the mighty Hitachi EX2600 excavator in full action. This orange Leviathan is a true heavyweight, tipping the scales at over 570,000 pounds. Packed with nearly 1,500 horsepower, it's designed to dominate coal mining operations where every second counts. Watch the sheer precision as it carves through tons of overburden, moving the earth with the grace of a mechanical predator. In these real working conditions, notice the incredible coordination as the EX2600 feeds 2 mining giants, the Komatsu HD 785 and the Caterpillar 777. These trucks are massive in their own right, with payloads reaching up to 100 tons. But next to the Hitachi, they look like standard pickups. It takes only a few massive bucket loads, each capable of holding nearly 20 cubic yards, to fill these beds to the brim. Witness the sheer scale of a frontline mining operation featuring the enormous Caterpillar 6040. This isn't just an excavator, it's an 880,000-pound powerhouse. Driven by twin engines pumping out over 2,000 horsepower, the 6040 is engineered to tear through the toughest overburden with surgical precision. Every time that massive 29 cubic yard bucket bites into the earth, It moves enough material to fill a standard backyard swimming pool. Watch this incredible mechanical collaboration as the 6040 skillfully loads the Hitachi EH3500 dumpers. These trucks are absolute giants, capable of hauling over 200 tons of rock in a single trip. This partnership is the heartbeat of the mine, ensuring the efficient transportation of massive quantities of material needed to uncover the valuable ore hidden deep beneath the surface. It's a relentless cycle of power and production where failure isn't an option. Right before our eyes is a legendary veteran that has spent over 2 decades ruling this pit, the 2004 Komatsu PC4000 Advance. We are witnessing 850,000 pounds of pure American-grade steel in its natural habitat. Standing 25 feet tall, this machine doesn't just work. It dominates the landscape like a mechanical titan, with nearly 1,900 horsepower ready to tear through whatever the earth throws at it. Notice the precision in every move. Despite being a 2004 model, this machine moves with a smoothness that puts modern equipment to shame. We're seeing a perfect collision of engineering and raw force, working 24/7 to uncover the riches hidden deep beneath us. If you had the chance to step into the cab of this 850,000-pound beast for just 1 hour, would you take the controls? Let me know in the comments. We are finally witnessing the undisputed king of the mining world, the P&H 4100 electric rope shovel. Standing before us is a 15 million pound mechanical titan that defines pure raw power. Right now, look at the efficiency on display. It takes only 3 massive passes from this P&H shovel to completely load this Leviathan truck, with each single bucket load moving over 100 tons of material. We are watching a machine that defies the very limits of modern engineering. We've witnessed the backbone of human progress today. Raw mechanical perfection at an insane scale. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Titans, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Join our community of gearheads and tell us, which of these monsters was your favorite? Let's keep exploring the wildest machines on the planet together.